We're getting on a boat!
So we've been in Bangkok for about a week now, and honestly, we haven't gone and seen, we watched 7 movies in 3 days, including the new Spider-Man twice. That's what we've been doing.
So we figured today is a good day. It's the new year. It's the best time to go see Bangkok.
So there are lots of different ways to see Bangkok. You could take the BTS or the SkyTrain, but it doesn't really go everywhere that we wanted to go and see. Another way is you could take a taxi going everywhere, but it would mean that you'd be taking the taxi about 20 times during any given day, and taking a taxi in Bangkok is complicated.
เรือรับส่งไอคอนสยาม
So fun! Now, we love walking. I mean, Camino, right? But when there are so many other ways to get around, why not take a boat? It's so much more fun and adventurous, and it's a really, really good deal. You can take a tourist hop-on, hop-off boat all along the Chao River for 150 baht per person, which is $4.50. This is honestly the best way to get around. Our first stop right here is ICONSIAM. So this is a massive shopping mall, and they had amazing New Year's fireworks that we could see from our hotel where we were staying. It's a luxury shopping mall, which is, you know, not at all our style, but apparently they have a really great food court, and we are all about the food court. This mall is so amazing. I ordered pad thai here for $1.50. She asked me if I wanted it spicy, and you have to be a little bit careful because when they ask you if you want it spicy, you have to be really, really sure if you want it spicy. I love spice, but this is really, really spicy.
It's good. So the malls in Asia are just on a whole nother level than the malls anywhere else in the world. Incredible architecture, the lighting, the attention to detail, all the colors, the fact that there is a actual floating market thing in the middle of the mall. None of that, but all the food that we just got together was $5 per person, including all these dumplings and the rice and the drinks and the everything. I think if the malls back at home were more like this, I think they probably wouldn't be dying like they are right now.
I gotta be honest, when we were thinking about doing this DIY boat tour, I kind of wanted to just take the express boat. I didn't want to take the tourist boat, but this thing is awesome. And you actually still get to DIY it a little bit. You get to choose where you want to stop and go. On to the next! We're going to Chinatown, or Chao. I hope I said that right. Hey, Papa!
Chinatown is very, very busy and a very different feeling from the ICONSIAM we were just at. Honestly, I love the energy here. So many people, so much shopping, so many very different stores everywhere that you go. Just feels very alive. The thing I'm realizing as we're walking around Chinatown is that you can get literally anything that exists on planet Earth here. There was an entire street back there exclusively just earrings. A whole street, and all they sold was earrings. And now we're back here and we're into the more like soft plushy stuff slash kids toys. I don't know how to describe it. They're just everything is here, but I have no idea how you'd find anything.
My favorite part about Chinatown is just how much life and busyness there is here. There are people moving all the time. There's tuk-tuks, there's street vendors selling food, there's motorbikes. This is definitely the place to come if you want to feel like things are back to normal. I let Josh pick any earrings for me to wear. These are very cute. How they look?
They're amazing.
Do I look like Peach now?
Wat Arun.
We're here at Wat Arun and it is beautiful. It costs 100 baht per person to get in, so about $3 per person. Now when you come to the temples, you do have to dress mindfully, but if you happen to forget, there's sarongs up front that you can borrow or for a small donation.
So Wat Arun, or the Temple of the Dawn, where we're at right now, has been around for over 300 years. The king who built it was trying to find a good spot for a new capital, and he was going down the river and then he saw this plot of land, this area, just as the dawn was coming up, and he said, this is the Temple of the Dawn, and this is where we're gonna center our new capital around, right here. Apparently at the top of this big spire up there is relics from the Buddha himself, so this is very much an incredibly holy and important place, and it's just stunning.
We're back on the boat. Time to hit you with some more fun facts. Did you know, because of all the canals or the klongs here, Bangkok is known as the Venice of the East, and people use them for so many reasons now. It's an amazing way to get around and see the city.
We're here at Khao San Road, and this is a very world-famous backpacker destination. And the word Khao San literally translates to milled rice, so this was more than likely just a rice market that over time transformed itself into this very budget-friendly backpacker destination. This place is so famous that you can see people from every walk of life, from every conceivable place around the world, coming here for basically the same thing, and that's to have a good time in whatever that means to you. In years past, during the high season, this place, this one road right here, would see up to 50,000 tourists per day. Obviously, times have changed quite a bit with COVID, and now we're seeing, you know, maybe 50.
We just made it to our final destination, Asiatique, and it's a beautiful open-air mall that's not only an open-air mall, but a living museum. It's completely free to come in and visit and walk around, and there's a huge Ferris wheel. We're not getting on it though, because I don't like Ferris wheels. Too scared.
What an amazing day. What an amazing city.
Bangkok is so beautiful.
Yeah.
Especially by night.
I didn't record it because I'm not a weirdo, but that bathroom actually had a projector that was projecting an Avengers movie on the ceiling for you to watch while you were going to the bathroom. What?
What do you got to tell us? So many things to say.